Alright, so Matthew had to rebuild the seat base on this. None of the electric motors were working. Rounded up some motors and we swapped out the seat base on this. Got it working pretty good now. So we're all set to pull this out and start working on the interior, but you know, the Lone Star interior is pretty haggard, so we're going to replace the carpeting. I've already got new seat foam for both the passenger and the driver's seat, and we're putting all new leather interior in this as well. But one thing to make note of is, for those of you that have had Dodges or own Dodges, if you take a look at the weld on this seat and the razor sharp edge of this metal here, even over here, you can see why the seat foam basically, you know, gets cut like a guillotine. Really a crappy design. So what we do is we go in and we blend these welds down, and then I put some rubberized coating on this to keep from ripping the new seat foam out, because they really don't last that long even if you put a new seat foam in. So we're about ready to pull this out, but just another update on the Lone Star build. We do have the seat ready to go. We're going to pull this out, rip the interior out, and freshen her up.